Hundreds and hundreds of people are taking advantage of free health and dental services at the Phoenix Convention Center this week. They're also getting a small dose of prayer, raising the question, is that okay? Families, single moms, struggling seniors. They all showed up at the Phoenix Convention Center Wednesday to see a doctor, nurse, or dentist free of charge.
I have not been to a dentist in 30 years. I know, that's horrible, huh?
I don't have any eye coverage at all, so I needed to get them done.
The Liberty and Health Alliance is hosting a 3-day mega health clinic this week. Their goal is to provide vital services to patients across the valley who can't afford to go to the doctor.
The services are limited based on the number of providers we have.
Liberty and Health Alliance President Layla Lewis says a lot of these folks slip through the cracks when it comes to health coverage.
The patients, they make just too much money to not qualify for Medicaid, but then they don't quite have access to dental and vision care services. Maybe they have some form of health insurance, but the copay is so high, they have to make a decision whether to put food on the table for their family or whether to get the medical services that they so desperately need.
Following an Arizona's Family segment highlighting the event for its community service, some viewers reached out to us, raising concerns about the motives of the group putting on the event. According to the Liberty and Health Alliance website, they're a religious-based organization whose mission is to promote medical freedom and empower individuals through free choice and a duty to God.
To be able to overcome many of the long COVID and adverse events from the vaccine.
The president of the Liberty and Health Alliance spoke at a hearing at the state capitol recently where she talked about the dangers of the COVID vaccine. One of the flyers for this week's event mentions ways to recover from the vaccine. And a number of tables at the event included religious literature. What we want to know is, are patients being pressured with religious material? Have they tried to push any religion or preach it all to you while you're getting services today?
No, they just ask you, do you want to have prayer? And, there's nothing wrong with prayer.
Everyone we spoke to said spiritual and religious guidance was offered, but there were no strings attached with the medical services they received.
We're a Christian organization. We believe that Christ freely gave, and so therefore we want to freely give. People are given the opportunity, if they so wish, to receive various literature on how they can use diet and lifestyle to overcome disease, which the Bible talks about. But nobody's required to have anything or do anything to receive services. This mega healthcare clinic will be open tomorrow and Friday and is free to the public. You don't need an appointment, but it is first come, first serve. For all the details, go to our website at azfamily.com. Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.